Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to unfollow someone on Mastodon, so let's get started. First, we're going to start off by clicking on this little profile icon in our bottom left corner. That's going to take us to our profile. Next, as you can see here above edit info, we have posts, following, and followers. So we're going to click on following. And from here, we're going to select the profile that we want to unfollow. For example, Pete. We're going to click on his profile. When we're here, now we're going to click on the following button. When we click that following button, now it's no longer following, it's follow, so that means he's unfollowed. If we go back to our following lists in our top left corner, and then again back, we're going to refresh it, and now we have 4 people following. As you can see, he is no longer a part of that list. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe for more helpful videos. Bye!